Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone apps crashing unexpectedly. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your apps are crashing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app and here go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software. So once you update your software, you just have to simply go back from here and you could just have to go to the battery section. Go to power mode and you have to make sure that you haven't enabled low power mode in your iPhone. Then go back and you have to go to screen time settings, go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes it might be that your process of your iPhone has been restricted. So you just have to try to disable this from here, then go back and try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix the minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to go to settings and then just go to apps section. Look for your browser. In my case, I have Safari, so I'm gonna open my Safari app here. Just select browser and just scroll down and look for clear history and website data. Just select this option, then tap on clear history, and it will clear all the history and website data. If there will be any bug or any malware with your website data, it will be fixed in this step, so you will not get the issue again. So once you have done, you have to go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and you just have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. It might almost 10 to 20 GB free with iPhone storage to use or run any ads as smooth. So after doing this, if you're facing this issue with a single app or with some apps, you can try to update your apps. Just tap on your app store and then tap on the profile option at the top right. And here just down you'll get all the apps which have updates. So just try to update all of your apps. So once you update it, you might not get the issue again. Or after updating, if you're still facing the same issue or if your issue has started after updating your iOS, so it might be that your iPhone is not compatible with the latest iOS, or sometimes it might be that with the new release or the latest release of iOS, there is any bug. So it might be fixed with the upcoming updates. You just have to wait for the next software update, or you can also try to downgrade your iOS version to fix this issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.